Hello community, welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can start your mini importation business online without involving any third party at all, like I always say. So if this is your first time, get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua and this is 𝐬𝐤 Logistics Limited. Here we're like family. We discuss everything that have to do with mini importation business, exportation, gadgets training, and e-commerce business. All right, so what you want to do to join our community is just to smash that subscription bell, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and also comment if you've gained value so far. So in my previous tutorial, we look at how we can use our ATM debit card to pay, right, which is a naira card. I did the video practically using my naira ATM card. Some people thought it was store card. It wasn't store card at all. I used my naira ATM card to buy RMB on Alipay, and I was able to use it to fund another Alipay account. So some people think maybe it was the restrictions on the account. No, it wasn't the restrictions at all. Will not allow me to do more than $50. That is why I'm recording this tutorial again. If you haven't watched how I was able to use the debit card, I was able to add the debit card in the previous tutorial. You can check the link on the bio of this video to go and watch the video on how I was able to use my naira card to pay. All right, and I've also recorded the video on how you can use your the same naira card to buy stuffs on 1688. I'm going to be leaving the video under the description. So in today's tutorial now, I still want to make use of the card again to fund another Alipay account. So you can see that the naira card is working, because we all believe, if you are watching outside of Nigeria, our card is not allowed to do international transactions. So some people is now doubting, like they are doubting if the card can do more than that. That's why I'm still using the card again. And if you are watching this for the very first time, it's also good, because I'm going to be teaching you or showing you how you can buy directly, right? So that is awesome, and that is what I'm going to be teaching you guys today. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys today. Do you like the tea? It's a coffee. I got it on Amazon. I can also share the link with you. It's a slim tea. So that having been said, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to fund the account with my naira card, and how you can also do the same. If you are watching outside of Nigeria, your card is not having restrictions, you can use your card. But we presently in Nigeria, I think our card is not allowed. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can use your card, how you can use naira card to buy at official rates. That's it. You are buying at official rate and nothing more, which is 240. They are going to charge us, although it depends. Dollar might fall down tomorrow. So it depends on the dollar rate for the day. That's why I was able to get one RMB for 240 naira per RMB, which is still more official than buying from the exchangers. Yes, it is. Honestly, it is. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you. So let's assume dollar goes down tomorrow. Now imagine what my bank will be charging me, because they charge me official rate of 240 naira per RMB. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you. And don't forget to smash. We are available for procurement. We are available for trainings if you want us to train you. And if you want to consult us, we are available for consultation and mentorship. All right. So without further more ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So I'm going to be doing another transaction for those that are saying maybe the card is having $30, $20 restrictions or something. You can use it to do unlimited transactions. You can go and watch my previous tutorial on how I add the card, on my Alipay account, and how I was able to use it to fund an account. Do you get it? For those who are doubting, that's why I'm still recording another one now, so you can see. So if I'm to come to my account here, click on bank card. It's a Nigerian bank card, and I'm also going to be showing you on my app. So it's not as if it's a dollar card or something. It's a naira card. This MasterCard, that's what I used to do the payment. Now let's go. Let me go and show you. If I'm to come to scan, let me click on scan now. Go to my album. Then let's say, let me look for an account to, okay, let me scan this account, right? So let me click on confirm. So this is the account. So let me say I want to fund account this 30 RMB with 30 RMB. The last one I did in my previous tutorial, I funded the account with 50 RMB. So let me do 30 here with that same card for you to see I can do unlimited transaction with the card. So if I'm to click on pay, right, it will take me to this page. Now this is, see, it's still the same thing. It's still telling me to make payment with my card. If I'm to click on this drop down arrow, I've also added Visa card. I can also click on the Visa card. Then I can also use my balance. You can see here under my balance I have just 10 RMB. That's why I can't use my balance, and I want to use my card. It's very straightforward. There's no magic. You can see the card there. And before this time, I was let me just show you my, this is my Providus bank card. It's not as if, maybe let me close the app and open it again so you can see. This is the Providus bank card. It's here in Nigeria. If you want to sign up, you have at least minimum of 500,000 to sign up or to have an account with them. But with my own process, you don't need to have a dime with them for you to be able to create an account with these guys. I can show you how to create it and get your ATM card and start running your account. Let me click on login. Then let me use my face to log in. This is still the same process I showed you guys in the previous, just small this thing changes, isn't it? So now this, I have 10,005. So I'm going to go to my Alipay, then still make the same payment. This is the card. This is the ATM card. Their ATM card. So let me click on confirm. So I'm going to use my Face ID. It's not recognizing it. So let me scan it again. You see that the payment will work. It's going to send an OTP to me, and you will confirm the, what's it called? The how do I put it now? The bank I'm using is Providus. There's no magic anyway. You can just go and set it up yourself if you don't want to follow my own process. But me, it's not a must you fund the account. You will just put enough money there, like just 3K, 2K. It's okay to create an account. So a code has been sent. I think this is the code. Let me wait for the SMS on. So let me wait for the SMS to come. Okay. So here comes the code. Let's get it on my smartphone. So okay, I have the code here. Then this guy and this guy done. So let me click on submit, and before you know it, I will be debited and the payment will went successfully without any hassle at all. So you can see it's presently loading, verifying succeeded, and it will pay. It said paying. Wow, I've just made another transfer with another payment. I've been debited. So let's go and check how much I was debited. Let me open my camera, because this is on smartphone. So this is my camera here, and this is it. So let me click on view. How much are we debited? 7,216 naira. You can see it's NGN and not dollar. This is it. This is the balance. You can see it here. I have balance of 3,000 plus. This is it. I'm not doing magic. 7,216 naira. So let's open our calculator to do the do the math to see the exchange rate. So it won't be as if this guy does not know what he's doing. 7 to 116 divided by how many RMB? 30 RMB. We still buy for 240 now. We are still buying for 240 RMB. This is still fair when compared to the black market rate. It's still fair enough. So I've just make another transaction, which is awesome. Let me screenshot and send directly to whoever I want to send with. So if you want to open this bank, you can reach out to me. I can help you throughout the process. Okay, so it's very simple. You can use the card to make a payment on 1688. I recorded the video. I'm going to leave it under the description button. Or now you can use this card to pay directly on your what? On your 1688 Taobao, Pindodo, Idle Fish. You can use it. So thank you guys for watching the video to the very end. Do well to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in my next tutorial.